Hi, welcome back. Let's try to understand three formulas in this session, left, right, and mid functions. So, if you would like to learn more things in Excel or any other skills, please subscribe my channel, Rise Your Skills. So, let's play with the data. Okay. So, let me try to come back here. Don't worry about the text. Let's try to check. Better go for this example. So now let's see this. What is the left function? Okay. So first see, okay. So equal to, okay, left left, start, select the text. Okay. So let's give 5 characters from your left side. So you can able to see from you if you are reading left to right, right? So this is the text. Let me show you again. Equal to left left. How many characters you want it? That you can able to get it. Okay. What is the text? This is a target text and file. This is how you can able to separate it from see Rahul born in Chennai. So the born in Hyderabad. From here, okay, if you'd like to separate the names, you can able to use the left function. Let's try to drag and drop. You will get all the names, 5 digits. Okay. So here Ganesh, it is 6 digits, it is missing. Suppose if I want one more character, let's increase. See, now full name, you got it. This is how from left to right, if you would like to read it, you can able to do this one. Okay. What about right? Okay. If you'd like to separate the city where he born, that you can able to from right side, if you would like to read it, that you can able to do it. So let's go for equal to right bracket. Okay. From here. So maybe I can give you 9 characters. So now I got the Chennai here. Okay. With spaces. Let's try to drag and drop so that I'm getting all cities. So this is from this direction. Okay. This is right side. From this side, left side. How many characters is supposed to read? In the similar way, so in date of birth, I would like to separate the month. So it is in the middle, right? Okay. Let's go to equal to, the function is mid. Okay. What is the target text? This is the text. Okay. From which character you would like to start it? Okay. So maybe I can say that this is from third character. So how many characters you want it? Let me make it 4 characters. Okay. It need to read. So how much you got it? So this, let me try to do it. This is starting from 2. Okay. 4. So now I got April. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, fourth character. From fourth character, it need to start it. And how many characters I need to read it from the middle? It need to read like this. Okay. So escape. Let's try to do the drag and drop. So same formula will apply, right? See how you got the months. So this I did by using mid. Okay. This is how you can able to play with the text actually. So please remember this. So left means, okay. So this is the left function from left. So this is the target itself. So how many characters you would like to read it? 5 I said. Okay. So this is right from the same cell. Right, I use the function from right side. How many characters? 9 characters I heard. In the similar way, you can able to play with the mid function also here. Okay. So that's it. Okay. That's all for today. If you really wanted to learn more things from me, please subscribe my channel. So left, right, and mid functions you learn. So this learning is very, very important somewhere in walks of your life, working in multinational companies or small companies, learning Excel is very, very important. For Excel, you will have a separate professional jobs also. Thanks so much. Thanks for joining this.